Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the world looks completely different, not because of your dreams, not because of some new glasses or a trick of the light, but because your eyes have gained a new ability. For the first time in human history, you can see radio waves, invisible forces that have always been around us, passing through walls, bouncing off towers, carrying music, voices, signals are suddenly visible to your naked eye. At first, it feels like a miracle. The air itself shimmers with color. Every Wi-Fi router glows like a pulsating star. Cell phone towers beam out in vast rippling patterns, like giant glowing webs stretching across the sky. You look at your phone and realize it's no longer just a screen, it's a lighthouse of signals shooting out in all directions. Even the hum of your car radio appears as glowing threads twisting through the air. The invisible world has finally revealed itself. People are stunned. Artists describe the experience as living inside a kaleidoscope of shifting light. The night sky is no longer filled only with stars, it now burns with overlapping networks of signals, painted across the horizon like glowing auroras. Social media explodes with photos and sketches, attempts to capture what everyone's eyes are now seeing. Scientists celebrate, thinking this new perception could unlock understanding of the hidden world of electromagnetism. But soon, the beauty turns into chaos. The more people stare at this new reality, the more overwhelming it becomes. Cities look suffocated, so many signals colliding that the air itself seems clogged, heavy with noise. Skyscrapers disappear behind clouds of invisible energy now made visible. Thick layers of glowing smog covering entire skylines. Walking down the street, people bump into one another, distracted by the endless rippling waves vibrating through every building, every wire, every device. And then comes the horror no one anticipated. Seeing radio waves doesn't just reveal communication, it exposes secrets. Hidden surveillance cameras glow like beacons. Military radars paint the sky with eerie, precise beams. Underground bunkers, thought to be secure, shine like lanterns under the earth. Suddenly, no government, no corporation, no secret experiment can stay hidden. Ordinary citizens start mapping the invisible networks, posting them online, and exposing places never meant to be found. But there's something worse. As astronomers turn their eyes to the skies, they realize that the Earth has never been silent. For decades, centuries even, we've been blasting radio signals into space, TV shows, military chatter, satellite commands, and now, for the first time, people can see it. The sky is littered with trails of human noise, stretching out into the stars like neon arrows pointing back to us. Every broadcast, every song, every war message, every emergency call, it's all out there, racing endlessly into the void. That's when the panic begins, because astronomers notice something strange. Not all the waves in the sky are ours. Some are coming back. Strange repeating signals flicker across the horizon, shapes and patterns no human antenna ever made. At first, they look like echoes, reflections bouncing off cosmic dust. But soon, the waves bend and twist in impossible ways, moving against the laws of physics, converging toward Earth as if guided by a will. Governments scramble to keep people calm, but the evidence is undeniable. Something or someone is sending signals back. Not random noise, not distant static, but carefully structured waves, carrying information. And the more humanity stares into this new spectrum, the clearer the message becomes. It's not just that we can see radio waves, it's that we were meant to. The chilling twist comes when linguists and scientists finally decode fragments of the patterns. They aren't instructions, they aren't greetings, they are coordinates. The signals are mapping our planet, broadcasting its exact location in ways far more detailed than anything we've ever leaked ourselves. Humanity realizes in horror that the very ability to see radio waves was not an accident. It was triggered, unleashed, given to us so that we would notice the incoming reply. The world falls into silence. People turn off their devices, shut down satellites, even abandon entire cities to escape the suffocating glow. But the sky is already alive with alien light, moving faster, growing stronger. And everyone now knows, we didn't just open our eyes to the hidden layer of the world, we opened the door to something watching us from beyond. The terrifying question remains, if we can see them, how long before they arrive?